Hello, boys and girls. How are you? Fine. Excellent. Today we are going to continue learning grammar. Here we go. Open your book to page 84, language. I hope you already watched the video about the negative past progressive. The negative past progressive is formed by waiting not after was or were and adding ing to the end of the main verb. Example, I was not studying when my mom got home. Okay, you can make it shorter by dropping the O in not and adding an apostrophe. This is called a contraction. For example, was not, wasn't. Okay, we dropped the O. Okay, were not, weren't. Okay, example, we weren't playing around when the teacher came in. Okay, excellent. Now it's your turn to put in practice what you have learned. Okay, rewrite the sentences using the negative past progressive tense. The first one has been done for you. Okay, we are going to check our example in order to complete the others sentences, okay? Number one, Camila was singing in choir class. Camila wasn't or was not singing in choir class. Okay? Remember, after was or were, you have to add not. Okay? Not, because it's a negative past progressive. Okay? Number two, he was lying when he said he had done his homework. Okay, he was not or wasn't lying when he said he had done his homework. Number three, she was crying when her mom got home. She wasn't crying when her mom got home. Okay, number four, we were hiking when the earthquake happened. We weren't or we were not hiking when the earthquake happened. Okay, number five. My parents were sleeping when I got home from the field trip. Okay, my parents weren't or were not sleeping when I got home from the field trip. Okay, excellent. If you have any questions, let me know by email or by platform. And remember, you can do it. Have a nice day. Goodbye. Bye bye.